everybody. I'm so excited to tell you that I made it over 500 subscribers overnight last night. So that's exciting news to me, something I was hoping for. And my Facebook people helped me out. So now we can move on and do some more videos, and I've got some prizes to give away. First, I'm going to update you a little bit. These are some things. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I want to show you what I've been working on. This is something I did from the Threads That Bind. That's their pattern. This is also a Threads That Bind pattern. The sheep with the flowers. And this is a Teresa Kogut pattern. I love the whimsical hand running through the flowers. So I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with these, what I'm going to mount them on. Just kind of holding on to them, but I wanted to show them to you. My current work in progress is a 3-sheep studio pattern called Counting Sheep. You can see that. And this is the back side that I'm working on. And that's the front side. I apologize for the lighting here. It's really bad, and I had intended to do this outside today so we had natural light, but now it's dark. I didn't get done. So that's to update you on what I'm working on. And I do want to say I've been in a slump, and I talked about that in one of my, I think it was the second to the last video, that I just didn't feel like doing anything. And it's because some negative words were spoken to me, not about me personally, just like, you're doing so much and then you're going to get burnt out. And it was almost like it was just spoken into me that now you're burnt out. And then I didn't want to do anymore. So I want to just say, speak positive thoughts to people and not negative. I was doing a whole lot of punch needle and I was loving it. And then all of a sudden, just like that, I didn't want to do it anymore. And I really believe it's just because I took those words to heart and I shouldn't have. So this past Wednesday, I turned on Facebook and Teresa Kogut was doing her Witch of Painting Wednesday, and I went into her live on YouTube, and they were asking me, like, right away, as soon as she saw my name on there, she said, "What have you been doing? Like, you know, we missed you. Where have you been?" And then a couple other people also said the same thing. So it was like, it was the complete opposite of what the other person spoke to me, and this was positive. This was like, we missed you, we care about you, and we want to see what you're doing. So it was encouraging to me, and it was just like that. The light went back on, and now I want to create again. So it's really strange to me, but it's just words have so much power, and I just want to encourage everybody to speak positive words to people and not negative ones. And I have a bad habit of doing that myself. I can be very critical and critical of myself. So let's all work on that, and let's speak kindness to people and positivity and encourage them instead of discourage them. So that's just a message for today, and let's get on to the fun stuff. We got prizes. So here's how I'm going to work this. I need you to comment on this video, under the video. There's a place to comment down there. I need you to subscribe. It's free. And then if you want to follow and make sure you don't miss any videos, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, you'll see it. It'll come up, and then if you click on that, it'll have a menu, and if you select all, you'll get an email notification every time I post a new video. So you don't have to watch it, but you'll be notified, and that way you won't miss anything, because I've got about 4 ideas of things I want to post videos of, so I'm going to get back into this, I promise. So subscribe to the channel, please, and then leave a comment below. So I'm going to have 4 different prizes. There'll be a keyword for each prize, and I'll explain that in a second. So there'll be 4 winners. This is a pack of threaders. You probably can't see it because they're so thin, but these are for the Ultra Punch needle. There are 2 threaders in there, so that is 1 prize. So if you would like to win this, make sure in your comment you have the word threaders, plural, threaders. Make sure your spelling's correct because YouTube is going to pick it by the keyword, so they're going to look for the correct spelling. So that's one prize. Another prize is weaver's cloth. And I have a little bit over a half of yard here. This is a natural colored weaver's cloth. It is the same kind I sell in my Etsy shop. That'll be another prize, and for that you will need to put in the keyword cloth, C-L-O-T-H, if you're interested in winning this. The reason I'm doing it this way is you're going to get something that you want to win and not something that I just pick for you. So by using the keywords, you'll only be chosen, you'll only be in the running for the prizes that you would like to have. So another thing I have is a Morgan Hope. It's big. I think it's 14 inches. I have 3 of these, so I'm going to give one away. It is gently used, and so it has no guarantees. You can't return it because it's not brand new. It is gently used. It's in perfect condition. So again, this is big. What I use these for is if you do rug punch or rug hooking, I do proddy flowers in this space because you can do multiples at once. But of course it can also be used for punch needle for a large project. So that will be a prize, and if you're interested in this, you will need to put in the word hoop. So, and then the 4th prize, we just had an election. Our country's kind of in turmoil right now. So this is a Teresa Kogut pattern. I thought this was fitting for the times for right now. It's called My Nation. And there you can see it. This will be another prize. So the word for this will be pattern. Again, this is a punch needle from Teresa Kogut. It's called My Nation. It comes with the fabric. It does not come with floss. It comes with the fabric and the pattern. This is brand new. So those are your 4 prizes. If you are interested, and you can put your name in for all 4. If you're interested in winning the threaders, put in the word threaders, plural. For the weaver's cloth, put in the word cloth. For the hoop, put in the word hoop. And for the pattern, put in the word pattern. I will pick the winners by the random comment picker, and it will be looking for the keywords, so those are so important to put those in, okay? And we'll do that next Sunday. I will pick the winners. So you'll have 1 week to comment and spread the word, because if you don't comment, you don't win. So you can comment for 1, you can do 4 different comments, but only use like the word threaders once, the word hoop once, pattern once, cloth once. Don't do multiples. It'll kick you out. Alright, so I thank you again for bringing me to this point. Hopefully we'll just continue to grow the channel. When it gets to 1,000, we'll have another giveaway with even bigger prizes. So we'll work towards that. And everybody just happy punching, spread kindness, and spread kind words. And my t-shirt says camp more, stress less. I just came from a campfire with some friends. We social distanced, set our chairs apart, and we had 3 fires going so we could space out. And to me, that's just one of my favorite things, is sitting around the campfire with friends. I do have another YouTube channel. It's called Camping Therapy. So if you're into camping, check that one out too. Okay, thanks everybody. Happy punching, and enjoy your life and make the most of it. Bye.